So we're back to another video. In today's video, it's an update video. So a couple things have changed. Like all down here. So that building right there used to be over here, and we moved it over to there, and we moved the sign from there to over here. And we built another fence around it. And we built this crane out of scratch. We didn't actually buy a kit. And that hook there, the hook can actually move. So yeah, and we have some engines over here, and the Santa Fe shell. And then this black top is actually textured, so and there's a small box by the building here. So yeah, that's basically all that's new. And also that pool. Oh yeah, the 3 trees that were over here, one got moved to here, and the other 2 got moved to over there. So I didn't have the comment on. And then the original train is over here, and there's the 2 engines. So yeah, that's basically all that's new. Oh yeah, and the 2 trees got removed from over here, another over here, and this light pole got moved from over here to over there. So that's basically all that's new. And anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.